Direct Jeff. Oh, eto, para sa'yo. You have 3 films here, Pila Balde, Tuhog, Cobrador. They're all gritty, they all make social commentary, they all evoke dirty street slum life, but somehow they are not preachy. They are not heavy, heavy, dark, dark. You get my drift? Because personally, you come away from it feeling like life is not so bad, that life is irreverent, but it straightens itself out in the end. Did I read your films right?
Yeah, correct. But first, let me thank you for inviting me here and including 3 of my films in your chosen 100. Hindi naman ako, hindi mo naman ako winarningan na pageant pala itong sinalihan ko. Seryoso pala yung Q&A. Hindi ako ready. But anyway, yung 2 films ko, Pila Balde and Tuhog, hindi sila kasing bastos ng titles nila ha. They were both written by Bing Lao. And Cobrador, which I was told na when it was shown at the CCP, when it premiered at Cinemalaya, you walked out kasi you didn't like it. Oo. And kasi nahihilo ka daw. But anyway, but anyway, you included it in your 100.
I cannot watch
So,
it again because it will make me dizzy again. Why?
Even if it was written by Ralston Hoover, it was heavily supervised by Bing Lao. So yung 3 films ko, the credit should be given to Bing Lao. And it's my honor and privilege to be able to direct all 3 scripts. But pagdating naman sa treatment ng films ko na light and hindi heavy-handed, call ko na yon as director. Naniniwala kasi ako na humor resonates well with the Filipino audience and it is an effective way. Naniniwala kasi ako na humor resonates well with the Filipino audience and it is an effective way to convey the filmmaker's message na hindi niraram down the throats ng audience natin. Kaya siguro ang mga films ko ang category nila is dramedy or satire. I love doing satires. I may look harmless but I am actually irreverent. So ayun yun lang.
I want it officially said, I liked Cobrador. I just got dizzy.